this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from iPhone 11 to iPhone 16. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you want to transfer all of your data from an old iPhone, such as the iPhone 11, to a new iPhone, such as the iPhone 16, follow the steps in this video and you will be able to transfer everything. Photos, videos, your gallery, all of your albums, contacts, apps, accounts, and so on. Keep in mind that even though I'm going to be using the iPhone 11 and 16 as examples, you can follow along with any other models of iPhone, as long as you have an old iPhone and a new one that you want to transfer to. This process can be done when you are setting up the new device. So when you are on the hello screen, all that you have to do is power on the new device. And if you put the new device in close proximity of the old one, you will actually get this pop-up, set up new iPhone. So this will appear on the old device. And all that you have to do here is tap continue. So because they are in close proximity, each iPhone is going to communicate between themselves, and once they have communicated, you will see this pop-up. If it doesn't appear right away, just lock and unlock your old phone and then try again, and you can use this setup process. This makes it incredibly simple to get started. So when you tap continue, this is going to be presented on your screen. This is essentially a QR code. So with your phone, point the camera here, and you will be able to scan this picture. Once it is scanned, you will get the options to transfer all of your data. There is no secret. Now, sadly, I'm not going to cover the entirety of the process in this video. Most of this is going to be related to settings that are personal, so it's down to personal preference. But as long as you choose transfer from iPhone physically or transfer from your iCloud backup. So if you've made a backup, you can use this one, or you can choose the option to transfer directly from the iPhone. Regardless of which one you choose, all of your data will be transferred over automatically. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer data from iPhone 11 to iPhone 16. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.